We'll guide you through how to fill a group on Telegram. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to grow and manage their Telegram groups more effectively. To begin this tutorial, click Google Chrome on your home screen to open the browser and wait until it fully loads. Once the browser is ready, click Search on your Google Chrome by selecting the address bar at the top of the window. Next, type web.telegram.org into the address bar exactly as written, then press Enter on your keyboard to open the Telegram web page. When the website loads, click Login by phone number to access your account. Enter your phone number in the field provided, making sure you select the correct country code before typing the number. After entering your phone number, click Next to send a code to your phone number for verification. Wait until you receive the verification code on your phone, then enter your code in the field provided, and you will be automatically logged in to your Telegram account. Once you are logged in, click Search at the top of the Telegram web interface to find a specific group. Then, type the group you want to add into the search bar and wait for it to appear in the results. Once it appears, click on that group to open it. After entering the group, click the Add Member icon in the bottom right corner to begin adding new members. Next, select the members you want to add to the group to fill the group's membership by choosing them from your contact list. Then, click the sideways arrow icon in the bottom right corner and click Add to confirm the selected members. After adding members, click the pencil icon in the top right corner to edit the group settings. Fill in the group description in the provided field. Next, click Group Type to adjust the visibility settings. Then, click Public Group so everyone can join the group using a link or search. After that, click Administrators to manage admin roles. Click the Add Member icon in the right corner below to choose a member. Click the member you want to make an admin and confirm the selection. Once completed, you can send a message to the group with the members.